Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and I hope you're all doing great. Happy New Year, of course. And welcome to this new video here on Jasmy. Just wanted to do a full update on the current situation, what's going on. There's been some developments since we last covered it. But I know quite a lot of you are interested in Jasmy and want to know what's going on. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts of what I think is going on, of course. And hopefully that's valuable to you. I would think it is, all right? But I'll leave that up to you. But first of all, I mean, fundamentally right now, Jasmy is just kind of following the market. We're also still seeing somewhat of a sell-off after the bullish momentum we had last week. I mean, Jasmy last week was actually pretty good, but we got up to the previous month POC here. And that was too much resistance. And we also got a bit of a sell the news event. I believe Junction actually launched a product back then. We talked about it in the last video as well. So you have a lot of leverage coming in market circumstances that are not great. You hit a strong resistance level and you have a sell the news effect. We go down. And what we have seen so far, and that is what also makes me still bearish right now in combination with some other things, including the markets, which at the moment, at least for altcoins, is not amazing. But what you see is that we have this continued sell-off in the open interest. And the open interest is, at this point of time is actually back to the same levels we first got the 23rd of November right here. So what that means is that, first of all, still more Jasmy is being sold off. And second of all, if there's no bottom here, if there's no increase, there's also no momentum to bring the price up. So I don't want to be negative because we will get to more positive parts. And at some point of time, Jasmy is also going to find support and is going to do fine. But at the moment, that is not the case yet. And I also think you can see on the 4-hour time frame, but also on the 12-hour time frame, that we had this strong support level between 3.3 and 3.2 cents. And a bearish technical confirmation for me is that we have now also successfully broken down below that. So you have somewhat of a fundamental driven sell-off already with the altcoins not being that strong and with that sell the news effect plus strong resistance. So you have that, and then there's also a technical bearish confirmation. So that means that the short term, in my eyes, unless we actually get some sort of a strong recovery across the markets, short term is still going to be bearish. Now, I've talked about this before, and I've told you that this is fine, because on the higher time frames, the area between 3 cents and 2.6 is filled with support. All right, so I do think, and that's in line with what I expect from the markets as well, I do think that short term might be bearish, but ultimately in that level between 3 cents and 2.6, we will find a bottom. We won't, or at least probably we won't instantly rally from there, but we will find support there. And from there, I also do think that we'll be able to get back to the same levels we're at right now, between 3.2 and 3.3, but that we'll also be able to break above that and rally back up. So it's just a matter of time. And I think that's quite bullish for Jasmy. I mean, we still have some developments to get. No longer in 2024, but in 2025. They have DWF Labs, which is an amazing market maker, at least for some of their coins. So ultimately it's coming, but like I said, at the moment, there's not much to be happy about. Now, I would keep my eyes on Bitcoin. It is possible that we get some relief for Bitcoin in the next week. If that happens, this could be the bottom still as well, right? It's New Year's, and a lot of the price action that has happened in the last week and right now as well, you don't have to take too seriously. So that bearish confirmation I talked about, I still think, like I very much believe in saying what you see. And what we see right now is bearish. If things change, I'll make a new update. But for now, I would say this is most likely, all right? With a potential of bottoming out earlier if Bitcoin finds support as well. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.